News, Stephanie.
Just breaks your heart. All right, Catherine, thank you so much. There are shelters set up all over Yazoo County, but the biggest is the Red Cross Center at L.T. Miller Community Center, which is on Lamar Avenue. Folks across the state have been generous. They are reaching out to help storm victims. We'll tell you how you can help, but first, 16 WAPT's Sharita Irvs shows us how others across central Mississippi are pitching in.
Relief efforts are underway in areas ravaged by a deadly tornado.
Oh, this reminds me of Katrina.
The Mississippi Emergency Management Agency has been inundated with phone calls from people wanting to help. Today, Hinds County residents drove to the state fairgrounds to drop off bottled water, clothes, and other items for storm victims.
And I think that anybody that can come out and give just an extra pair of clothes or just an extra helping hand. I happen to be off work today, and I just thought, why not come out and give what I can?
The Hinds County Sheriff's Department stationed this 18-wheeler on the state fairgrounds so people can make donations.
I think what the Sheriff's Department is doing is wonderful, and, you know, we can all go buy groceries or paper goods or whatever they need.
Donations have been pouring in, but Hinds County officials want those donations to keep rolling in because there's such a large number of families that need assistance. Brandon residents are also pitching in to help. Another 18-wheeler is set up outside Brandon City Hall. People can drop off non-perishable items, cleaning supplies, bottled water, and other items. Sharita Irvs, 16 WAPT News.
Well, the Red Cross is accepting money that will go to the disaster fund for tornado-ravaged areas. You can make your donations by calling 1-800-RED-CROSS or by going to redcross.org. And you can also stop by the Salvation Army on Presto Lane to make donations.